everybody. I know. I always say hey, and then my dogs go, hey. So anyway, I got the mail. I'm so excited, you guys, and I haven't opened it yet. I just sliced it open, but I forgot what I ordered. So we're going to do a little bit of an unboxing together, but you're going to have to bear with me because A, I apparently am losing my voice, and B, I can't see without my readers on. So we're going to do a little bit of unboxing. Yay. It's so exciting, right? It's so much fun when the Seint box comes. And I know I ordered some new eye colors, but I also know that I look at these velvet bags. Aren't they the best? They're so cool. So this is my black cherry, you guys. Now look at this. Look at it in the tin. It's like, oh my God, it's totally scary, right? But let's try it on. It's not overwhelming. It's just perfect. Yeah. So I'm definitely all about the black cherry. Definitely all about the black cherry. So we'll have to put that where it goes. And then we have some new shadows. We have pomegranate, which is kind of hard to see, but I don't know that I have time to open them all. But I'll try them on. And we have pomegranate. We have chai, nice neutral. We have Brie, who likes to bark. We have, Gold Digger. This was the freebies. Free, 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 free. Who doesn't love free? We have On Wednesdays, which is a nice pink. So we'll have to try that out tomorrow. Eve. That's a nice purple. We'll try that on tomorrow. We won't try them all at the same time, though. We'll do this, we'll do this right. And then we have, Duke, because I love my colors. I love my colors. And I got myself a nice new 12. Maybe this could go to one of you guys if you book a class. You want to book a class? You book a class and I'll give you a 12 palette. And I also got a new eyeshadow brush because you know what? One isn't enough. So we definitely need to have two. Look at these double-sided brushes, y'all. They're amazing. And they stand the test of time. I clean them all the time. I use them all the time. You just can't live without these. But then there's the ultimate. Because I had to get myself some swag. And I haven't seen it yet, so this is the first time we're all seeing it together. My nice new Seint t-shirt. Look at that. Actually, I think my husband has that tattoo on his back. We'll have to look at that, but I'm pretty sure he does. So that's the fun. That's the live unboxing. I'm making a mess. I'm making a total disaster out of this, right? But it's so much fun. And so when you get that box in the mail, it's so much fun. Okay, y'all, that's all I wanted to do. That's it. That's all I got. We'll try on some new shadows tomorrow and let me know which ones you want to see. Do you want to see chai, pomegranate, Duke, blue? I'll wear something blue if you want to see blue. Or Eve if you want to see something purple. Or if you want to listen to my dog bark, we can do that too. All right, and so I hope y'all have a great rest of your day. I get tongue-tied when I do this. I get so tongue-tied, you guys. All right, let me know if you have any questions. I love you all. Book a class. You get a 12 palette for free.